Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. So today's video is all about this overly hyped 24 karat gold skincare products. Now my question to you is, do you have 24 karat gold products in your skincare? Do you really need them? Is gold really anti-aging? Let's find out. So those of you who are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. My name is Anna. I am a fully qualified cosmetic nurse. Apart from being on YouTube, I also work in a skin clinic where I treat men and women from all the different backgrounds. I make 2 videos a week, every Tuesday and every Saturday. And if you want to learn my tips, please subscribe here and press on that bell icon and you will never miss out on another video. So skincare products with 24 karat gold are very popular among celebrities. If you happen to follow any of the Victoria's Secret models on social media, you will see all these Victoria's Secret models go and get 24 karat gold facial before their show. So I have been doing a lot of research into 24 karat gold skincare products, as well as when I was a student at uni doing my cosmetic nursing course, we were taught a lot about 24 karat gold skincare products because gold is becoming really popular and people are really mad about 24 karat gold facials because everybody wants to get 24 karat gold facial to have that luminous glowing skin. So I went and bought my own 24 karat gold skincare product. It is 24 karat gold Zan ampule. It has got 99% pure gold. So that's how the packaging looks like. And the actual product looks like this. You can see it has got these little gold flakes in the bottle and you have to shake it well before you use it. Now let's talk about the benefits of gold. What makes gold so special? Why celebrities are so crazy about the skincare products with gold? Now, gold has got a lot of benefits to our skin. To start with, gold is really nourishing to our skin. It treats the uneven skin texture and tone. If you happen to have dark spots or hyperpigmentation on your face, gold is really good at removing dark spots and lightening that hyperpigmentation. Gold is also a very well-known anti-aging ingredient. Because gold is a really good antioxidant, it fights the free radical which causes the aging process. So when you apply skincare products with gold, what they're gonna do is they're gonna fight the free radicals, they're gonna delay your skin's aging process, they're gonna reduce the fine lines, they're gonna reduce the wrinkles, and they're gonna give you more brighter complexion, a more youthful appearance. Another thing about gold is a really good anti-inflammatory ingredient. It has got really good anti-inflammatory properties. So if you happen to have acne on your face and your face is really red and irritated, then skincare products with gold are really helpful to calm that redness and inflammation down. So why celebrities are crazy about 24 karat gold facial? Because 24 karat gold facial increases the luminosity of your skin, makes your skin really glowing, and it's also helpful in the regeneration of your skin cells. Means the skin cells which are dead and worn out, they will be replaced by the healthy, fresh, juicy and plumpy skin cells, giving you a more youthful appearance. Now the issue with the 24 karat gold skincare product is not every 24 karat gold skincare product in the market is gonna give you that luminous skin, gonna give you that anti-aging and anti-inflammatory properties. Because the gold particles are very large in size, and because of their large size, it's very difficult for gold to penetrate through the skin to provide all those good benefits. So we need to find a skincare product which is designed for easy absorption into the skin. So for you guys, I am gonna try this 24 karat gold Zen ampule from Maison de Nature. I will try it for 3 to 4 weeks and I will let you know if it easily absorbs into my skin and if it provides me all those anti-aging and anti-inflammatory benefit, and if my skin looks all luminous and glowing after using this particular product. So what I have learned so far about this 24 karat gold serum is it has got no fragrance to it. I am not a fan of fragrances in skincare products, but because fragrances can make your skin really sensitive. So that's one good thing I like about this, no fragrance. Second, when you apply this serum on your face, it does not make your skin look shiny, it gives you a matte finish. And you can also apply this serum under your makeup and it gives you that luminous and glowing skin after you apply your makeup. And I have applied this serum on my face before I applied my makeup today. So stay tuned for the full review of this product. That's all about today's video. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give me thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and leave your opinion in the comment section, because your opinion is really important for me to improve my videos. And I shall see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.